Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the benefits of using natural and organic beauty products. Did you know that the average person applies over 100 chemicals on their skin daily? Scary, right? In this video, we will be exploring the reasons why you should switch to natural and organic products for your beauty routine. First, let's discuss what natural and organic beauty products are. Natural products are made from ingredients that come from nature, such as plant extracts, while organic products are made with ingredients that are grown without the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. Natural and organic products do not contain harsh chemicals that can damage your skin, such as parabens and sulfates. Using natural and organic beauty products can lead to numerous benefits, including healthier skin, fewer irritations, and reduced exposure to harmful chemicals. Natural ingredients contain antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that nourish and rejuvenate the skin, leaving it looking youthful and radiant. Organic products are also free from synthetic fragrances and preservatives, making them gentler on sensitive skin types. Additionally, natural and organic products are better for the environment. Organic farming practices promote sustainability and protect the ecosystem. Natural and organic beauty products are also cruelty-free, meaning they are not tested on animals. Now let's talk about some of the specific benefits of using natural and organic beauty products. They can help reduce inflammation and redness, promote collagen production, and improve skin elasticity. They can also help soothe dry skin, fight acne, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. And because they are free from harsh chemicals, they are safe to use during pregnancy and on children. So there you have it, the benefits of using natural and organic beauty products. Not only are they better for your skin, but they are also better for the environment and animal welfare. By making the switch, you can achieve healthier, more radiant skin while supporting ethical and sustainable practices. So what are you waiting for? Give natural and organic beauty products a try and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.